What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a product that's going to help a lot of you Tesla owners out there when it comes to parking on the street and avoiding curb rash. Let's check it out. Today we're going to be installing the rim protectors from our friends over at EVAAM. So this is a Tesla company, but what's so cool about these rim protectors, not only do they go for 17-inch wheels to 22-inch wheels, but they're made for all makes and models of Teslas, but also all other vehicles as well. They're made of aluminum alloy. You're going to get your 4 rim protectors, or 5. There's a pack of 5 as well, a cleaning wipe, and an adhesive promoter. So if you also have a Tesla and a car that's not a Tesla, you can still get these and they'll protect your wheels. And they come in a multitude of colors, so you can customize that as well. Let's get these on. Inside your manufacturer box, the protectors are going to come in this cardboard box, which have your rim size here, 18 for mine, and the color that you chose. I chose black to match the color of my fiance's wheels. Let's check them out. And here are the black. This is what they look like up close. And on the back, you're going to be installing these. It's a 3M adhesive right there. And inside this little towel here, you're going to have your adhesion promoter and wheel cleaner neatly wrapped up for you. So we've got those right there. Now it's a pretty simple install. If you want to put these on your wheels, wipe the edges with the microfiber towel they gave you. Then you're going to take your adhesion promoter wipe, take that around the edge as well. Then we're going to take the wheel protector and just apply it to the wheel. Super easy. So we just take off this protective covering. Toss that aside. And then we peel our 3M tape. Oh, that's the best 3M tape peel I've ever done. Nice. If you know, you know. Now, we just stick this bad boy on. Our wheel is protected from any curb rash that may occur. This is what that's going to look like all around the wheel. And there we go. Super easy to install. 4 steps, I believe it was. And now her rims are protected from any future curb rash. Again, these work on 17 inches to 22 inches, all make and models of all vehicles. So let me know in the comments below, guys, is this something that you would utilize or not? And I have a discount code in the description below. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Like always, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, and don't worry about the wrap. I got a pretty fun little project coming up, so stay tuned.